Hi there, it's Ernest from TripAstute. In this video, we're going to review some tips and tricks to maximize your points while shopping, especially with Mother's Day and Father's Day around the corner. Here in the US, we celebrate Mother's Day in May and Father's Day in June. It's a great holiday and often a time to express appreciation for those in our lives that have served in the most important job in life, being parents. It's also a time where we tend to spend money on gifts. So today I want to do a quick review on where and how you might want to shop in order to maximize your points and miles earnings. For some of you, this will be a reminder. For those of you who might be newer to the hobby, I'm hoping to help you earn a few extra points while shopping for gifts. So let's run through the list. Number 1, buy gift cards at grocery stores. You guys have heard me talk about this one before. With the Chase Freedom and Discover It both offering 5% on grocery store purchases, now is definitely a good time to take advantage of gift cards. If you're looking to get someone a gift card, this should be your first stop, assuming that you have a card that offers the quarterly bonus. Also, if you have the American Express Blue Cash Preferred card, then you're earning 6% cash back at grocery stores all year round. Another tip for buying gift cards is to consider getting them for restaurants that you may be visiting. For example, if you happen to be going to Macaroni Grill for Mother's Day, then you could get a gift card to pay for part or all of the meal. Obviously, you'll have to guess the amount, but it's a good way to maximize your points and cash back on the celebration. Number 2, redeem American Express offers. I have to admit that I didn't even know about these offers until a few months after I got my first American Express card. If you log into your American Express account, you'll see offers listed at the bottom of your homepage. These range from restaurants, stores, and even services like flower deliveries. This is one of those special features about American Express that I don't hear many people talk about, but I honestly think it's really valuable. You can easily recoup your annual fee by just taking advantage of these deals. Keep in mind that offers are personalized, so you may have slightly different merchants listed based on your location, spending habits, and card. Though just scanning through my list now, I can see a lot of potential gifts that I could get for my mom. Number 3, use an airline, hotel, or credit card shopping portal. It seems like every travel brand and credit card now offers their own online shopping portal where you can earn extra points or miles. This is also a great way to earn a lot of points, especially if you double dip on both the shopping portal and any extra points you might earn by just using your credit card. Managing all the programs and bonus amounts can be difficult, so I recommend using a search site that can show you the exact reward amounts for programs when shopping with a specific merchant. 2 sites that I use and recommend are EV Reward and Cashback Monitor. To use these sites, all you have to do is enter where you plan to shop, and the site then shows you which program gives you the best bonus. Suppose you plan to order something online at Walmart. If you searched on Walmart, you would see on both EV Rewards and Cashback Monitor that Discover's portal is offering 5% cash back, while Chase's Ultimate Rewards portal is only offering 2%. If you had a Discover card, then you'd want to use it over your Chase card since the bonus is more than double. There's actually a lot of ways to maximize your cash back using these shopping portals, so I'll try to cover it in a future video. So those are my top 3 ways to earn extra points for Mother's Day and Father's Day. Though, as always, I thought I'd share a few more tips to keep in mind. Number 1, don't overdo it. This is especially the case for gift cards. If you normally only spend $50 a week on groceries, but then spend $200 on a visit buying gift cards, it's likely that your card will get flagged for fraud or suspicious spending. Just be careful how much you are spending and the total amounts per visit. The issuers generally frown upon manufactured spending, so just exercise caution and try not to go overboard with your spending. Number 2, keep your receipts. I bought a couple of gift cards a few years ago, and when I gave them away, I was told that the cards had been drained. After a ton of phone calls and research, it appeared that someone either at the gift card distributor or grocery store had redeemed the cards between the time that they were activated and the time that the person I gave them to tried to use them. Luckily, I had the receipts, so I was able to get it resolved. However, it was a process and definitely made me cautious about keeping receipts when buying gift cards. How do you maximize your points and miles during Mother's and Father's Day? Please share your tricks in the comment section below and let us know if you have any questions. If you're interested in applying for any of the cards mentioned in this video, check out our credit card offers page on our website for the latest offers. We do get a percentage if you use our link. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help us continue creating content for this channel. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Also, sign up for our newsletter on our website for travel articles, updates, and giveaways. Until next time, travel safe and travel smart.